In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the DeepSeek API with Make.com. This tutorial will guide you through every step of the process, ensuring that you're set up to harness the power of AI with ease. So let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to head over to the DeepSeek platform. Once you're there, you'll either need to sign up for an account if you're new or simply log in if you already have one. After you're signed in, navigate to the API section. This is where you'll be able to generate your API key, a crucial component for making everything work smoothly. You'll see an option to generate a new API key. Once created, it will look something like this pattern. Make sure to copy this key safely as you'll need it in your subsequent steps. Next, open your Make.com dashboard. Here you'll want to focus on creating a new scenario, which acts as a workspace for integrating the DeepSeek API with your tasks or applications. Click on the option that lets you create a new scenario. This is your sandbox, where all the exciting AI interactions will happen. Now it's time to add the DeepSeek module to your scenario. Look for the plus button, usually marked as a plus on the interface, and give it a click. You'll need to search for DeepSeek AI in the search bar. Once it pops up, go ahead and select the option called Create a Chat Completion. It's worth noting that the official Make DeepSeek modules are readily available directly on the platform, making it a seamless addition to your scenario. The next move is to create a connection using the API key you generated earlier. Click on the Add button, and when prompted, paste your DeepSeek API key into the provided field. It's imperative to enter it accurately, as any typos might break the connection. Once you've pasted the key, simply click Save to establish the connection. This binds your Make.com setup to the DeepSeek functionality. Choosing the right model is crucial to ensure you get the desired results. DeepSeek offers several models, popular among users, including the DeepSeek Chat for general AI chat applications and DeepSeek Reasoner, which specializes in advanced reasoning and coding tasks. You can select the one that best fits your needs. For instance, you might start with DeepSeek Chat for a broad application. With the connection set and the model selected, it's time to add a prompt to see the AI in action. Think of a prompt as a trigger. An example could be asking it to write a blog post about AI automation. Alternatively, you could dynamically map data from previous modules in your scenario. Once everything is set up, you'll want to test it by clicking on Run Once. A successful run will see DeepSeek returning an AI-generated response. The output will conveniently appear below the module, allowing you to review and utilize it as needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to explore the capabilities of the DeepSeek API using Make.com. Happy automating!